Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Hatch tool in AutoCAD, and we'll cover everything from basics to useful pro tips, so your drawings look clean, consistent, and professional. In AutoCAD, to start hatching, you can either click on the Hatch icon in the ribbon under the Home tab, or just type Hatch and press Enter. Once active, the Hatch Creation tab will appear. On the Hatch tab, you'll find a wide range of preset patterns like ANSI, solid, gravel. You can also use gradient fills or even choose a custom pattern. If you downloaded pad files, to change the pattern, simply click the drop down and preview the styles. You can click inside a closed boundary to apply the hatch. Your object isn't a closed loop, AutoCAD might not hatch, so be sure all lines are touching or closed using tools like p-edit or join. Scale controls the density of the hatch. If it looks too tight or too sparse, just increase or decrease the scale value. The angle lets you rotate the hatch pattern. This is useful if your part is angled and you want the hatching to align with it. Make sure the associative is checked if you want the hatch to update when the boundary changes. So let's say we're deform this rectangle. You can see the hatch is still changing with the rectangle. If we didn't have the associative and then we move the rectangle, you see it doesn't update. Hatching slows performance. Use HP gap tool. Just set a value to close small gaps and boundaries automatically. You can also save time. Let's say you want a new hatch, but the hatch, you can't find the same hatch. So you can choose Match Properties, click on the first one, and select the other. It's gonna transfer all of the properties of the first one. When you're happy with your hatch, hit Enter or click this Close Hatch Editor. You can always select the hatch later and tweak the properties through the hatch panel. That's it for hatching in AutoCAD. A small tool, but a powerful one when done right. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more CAD content. See you in the next one.